we're back with another SciAps video, and we're going to show you, after a great ISRI show and a really great post-show follow-up and a lot of excitement over the scrapper and how fast it is on aluminum alloys especially, but we're going to show you a few things about how we do our videos, because we get some people say there's just no way that X-ray gun can be that fast on aluminum alloys, right? Because they're used to 30-second, 60-second tests on because of that low magnesium, which is hard for X-ray to see. And we're seeing it in 2 seconds. So we want to show you how we do this, because it's real. We shoot stuff, shows up on the screen, this screen, that screen, and we send it out. There's no processing, there's no editing, there's no goofing around with the video. Anyway, so let's do a few tests real quick. Everybody's favorite. Let's start out with a 6063. This and the 1100, we see them mixed up all the time with old X-ray. So here we go, bang, bang, 6063, there you go, 2 seconds. Do we get lucky? Let's try it again, 6063, 2 seconds. Look at that, there's the magnesium. One more time, 6063, 2 seconds. Do an 1100 just to keep things honest, because there's no magnesium in this. Shoot that, 2 seconds. Oh, there we go, pulled it away. 1100, no magnesium. Do it again, 1100, no magnesium. So there's a great sort, 63, 1100. Let's just do one other, even harder one. Here's 356. It's only got around 0.3 or 0.4 magnesium. Again, 2 seconds we see a magnesium. Do it again. 2 seconds we see it again. Compare that to a 357, which is a little higher mag, about 0.5, 0.6. There's your 357. Let's do that again. Only difference in those two, one is up to 0.3 and one is about 0.4 to 0.7. So a couple of seconds, we're really seeing low mag fast. This is why this has been so popular with the scrap industry, because they can finally sort aluminums as fast as they can sort stainless and high temps and red metals. They can sort aluminums that fast. They can finally make money sorting aluminums with X-ray. So it's been a really popular addition to the sorting, to the scrap processors.